I am Dr. Jesse John, Assistant Professor, Department of Anatomy, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. And today we will discuss the rest of the part of the anatomy of the spleen. And we will discuss here development of the spleen and the blood supply of the spleen. And arterial supply, the spleen is supplied by the splenic artery and the largest branch of the celiac trunk. It traverses through the linorenal ligament to reach near the hilum of the spleen, where it divides into 4 and 5 branches, which enter the spleen through the hilum to the supply it. The splenic artery is remarkably tortuous to allow the movement of the spleen following distension of the stomach and the movement of the diaphragm without obstruction to the blood flow. And here is the venous drainage. Venous blood from the spleen is drained by the splenic vein, which is formed at the hilum by the union of 5 or more tributaries which emerge from the splenic substance. The splenic vein runs a straight course from the left to right behind the body of the pancreas. Behind the neck of the pancreas, it joins the superior mesenteric vein to form the portal veins, and its tributaries are short gastric vein, left gastroepiploic vein, pancreatic vein, and inferior mesenteric vein. Lymphatic drainage. Splenic tissue proper has no lymphatics. The tissue fluid formed in the spleen freely enters the venous sinusoids. The splenic lymphatics are confined to its the trabeculae, capsule, and visceral peritoneum. They drain along the splenic vessels into the pancreatic colonial lymph nodes and now supplied by the sympathetic fibers that is derived from the celiac plexus. They supply blood vessels and smooth muscle fibers present in the trabeculae and the capsule. Segment of the spleen, the splenic artery within the spleen usually gives two branches, that is the superior and inferior. These branches usually do not anastomosis, but each branch supplies its own territory, means segments. Thus, an avascular zone exists between these two segments. Thus, the spleen presents two segments, superior and inferior, that is separated by avascular plane, passing perpendicular to the long axis of the spleen. The knowledge of these vascular segments is essential for segmental resection of the spleen to preserve the splenic tissue and during the surgery. Development. The spleen develops between two layers of the upper part of the dorsal mesogastrium from a number of condensation of mesenchymal cells. These separate masses of mesenchymal cell fused together form the lobulated spleen. The notches on the superior border of the adult spleen indicates the lobulated development of the organ. And these are all about the spleen. And if you found any difficulties or any query, please write it below in comment box and it will be resolved very soon. Thank you so much.